Welcome, dear students, in online classes SSPM Kotputli. Today we have to start. There are different methods to charge the objects. In last videos, yesterday I told about charge. There are following three methods charging the objects. First, charging by friction. In it, इसके अंदर when two objects rubbing with each other, then one object lose the electron and other electron accept the electron and other substance accept the electron. Lose electron and accept of electron means एक ऑब्जेक्ट पर इलेक्ट्रॉन का आना और नेक्स्ट जो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है उससे इलेक्ट्रॉन का निकलना. जिस ऑब्जेक्ट से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकलते हैं उस ऑब्जेक्ट पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आता है. मान लीजिए एक ऑब्जेक्ट ए ये है और दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट आपका बी ये है. ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट सेकंड. When these substances rub with each other, then this lose the electron this. So bear the positive charge and electron comes on B object, so it bear the negative charge. और एक बात और, the electron transfer of the object increases the mass. Now second method, charging by conduction or contact. Charging by conduction or contact. In it process two objects comes in contact, then charge distributed other object or substance. Likewise, here we take a uncharged metallic sphere which is placed on insulating stand, then positively charge other metallic sphere also be placed on insulating stand. Now when these are in contact, अब हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों को आपस में क्या करेंगे, कांटेक्ट कराएंगे, आपस में ऐसे पास लाएंगे. Now the charge is distributed in equally amount on both metallic spheres, likewise shown in figure B. Now you are seeing in figure C, where these are separate sphere, first and second, after contact, then some distance. Now charge will remain same as shown in figure C. Now next method is charging by induction. कौन सा मेथड है बेटा? चार्जिंग बाय इंडक्शन. देखो भैया, चार्जिंग बाय इंडक्शन. Third method is charging by induction. Method third charging by induction. In it is the method in which we take a charged metallic sphere and other non-charged metallic sphere. When these not comes in contact, यहाँ पर क्या होगा कि मान लीजिए ये एक आपके पास मेटालिक स्फीयर है, इस तरीके से ये मेटालिक स्फीयर है, प्लेस्ड ऑन ए इंसुलेटिंग स्टैंड, और ये है नॉन कंडक्टिंग, नॉन या अनचार्ज कह सकते हैं, अनचार्ज। इसकी इस साइड को दिस पार्ट P and this part Q, this side say P and this side say Q. Now this is figure small a. In second figure, when near this metallic sphere a charged object became, then on P side opposite charge be appear negative, and on this Q side in same amount positive charge is spread in figure B. Third was when this Q side is connected, just like this is the C. Similarly, just like negative, then this side, this P and Q side is connected to the earth. ये अर्थ है बेटा आपका, E अर्थ, this side is earth, connected. Then the positive charge on Q side is disappear because electrons comes and utilize the positive charge, this positive charge, okay, this positive charge, right? This is figure C. When it is disconnect, just like disconnect from earth, then shown in figure D. Here negative, then there is no difference on effect on Q side, इस साइड पर कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. Now in last, when this charged object is displaced from near, just like this side, then P and Q side, the negative charge is distributed all over the metallic sphere, इस टाइप से. तो दिस इज द चार्जिंग बाय इंडक्शन. फिगर B shown the charging by induction. In its process, an uncharged object develops opposite kind of charge on it without being in contact with a charged body. Is called charging by induction. In figure small a, it is clear indicate takes a non-charged metallic sphere placed on a insulating. This is insulating stand. Insulating stand. Now a charged object placed near about this, not in contact. इसे कांटेक्ट में नहीं लाएंगे, ऐसे टच नहीं कराएंगे, उस दूरी पर रखेंगे. देन अपोजिट चार्ज, अगर इस पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, then this object bear the positive charge, then here on P side negative charge will be appear, or on Q side positive charges appear. If this object is negative charge, then its opposite will be positive charge here on P side and negative charge on Q side, right? It is the charging by induction. It is the charging by induction. Now we have to discuss unit of charge. Unit of charge. Just wait. Unit of charge. Unit of charge. Unit of charge. Unit of charge. चार्ज का यूनिट क्या होता है भाई? ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज, ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज इज कूलम और एम्पियर सेकेंड. कूलम C. For it, कूलम C is the reference कूलम, और एम्पियर सेकेंड, अदर यूनिट इज एम्पियर सेकेंड. दूसरा यूनिट कौन सा होगा बेटा? एम्पियर सेकेंड. ओके. नाउ 1 कूलम इक्वल 1 एम्पियर सेकेंड. रिमेंबर 1 कूलम इक्वल 1 एम्पियर सेकेंड. नाउ डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला, डायमेंशन ऑफ चार्ज क्या होगा भाई? डायमेंशन ऑफ चार्ज का डायमेंशन देखो भाई, इट इज द एम्पियर, इट इज द सेकेंड, राइट? चार्ज का डायमेंशन क्या होगा? m0 l0 T1 ampere 1. So in combined, in short form also called AT. This is the unit of charge, AT. This is the unit of charge. Coulomb C be the big unit of charge. Coulomb जो C होता है big unit of charge होता है बेटा. Coulomb C be the big unit of charge. ये बड़ा मात्रक होता है, यूनिट होता है. और अदर यूनिट क्या होंगे बेटा चार्ज के? और नाउ अदर यूनिट of charge, other unit of charge, 1 microcoulomb, 10⁻⁹ coulomb. 1 nanocoulomb, micro means 6. 1 microcoulomb means 10⁻�6. 1 nano means 10⁻⁹ coulomb. और 1 picocoulomb means 10⁻12 coulomb. 10⁻12 coulomb. Remember? Now in CGS. Remember? In CGS. ये सीजीएस सिस्टम में यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज क्या होगा भाई? इन सीजीएस सिस्टम यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज, चार्ज का यूनिट क्या होगा? सीजीएस में चार्ज का यूनिट होगा स्टेट कूलम। क्या होगा बेटा? स्टेट कूलम, स्टेट कूलम। और फ्रैंकलिन, फ्रैंकलिन FRA, Franklin FR. This is the unit of charge in CGS system, state coulomb or Franklin. Or smallest unit of charge is ESU. Smallest charge, smallest unit of charge, remember ESU. This is the smallest charge. Remember, electromagnetic unit of charge, electromagnetic unit of charge, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज क्या होगा भाई? EMU. इसको क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? EMU. और इसको बोल देते हैं एब कूलम. Remember. Now 1 coulomb equal 3 into 10 power 9 ESU. Okay, and ESU. It is also 3 into 10 power 9. फ्रैंकलिन भी हो सकता है या फिर इसे 1/10 एब कूलम भी कह सकते हैं. एब कूलम. ओके, 1 coulomb equal 3 into 10 power 9 ESU and 3 into 10 power 9 Franklin, or 1/10 एब कूलम. Now largest unit of charge, largest unit of charge, largest unit of charge, largest unit of charge. Largest unit of charge, largest unit of charge, Faraday. लार्जेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज क्या होता है बेटा? फैराडे. ओके, 1 फैराडे इक्वल, रिमेंबर 1 फैराडे इक्वल 95600, सॉरी 96500 coulomb. Remember, this is the largest unit of charge. Remember always, basically in SI system unit of charge is coulomb or ampere second, or in CGS system state coulomb or Franklin. Remember, and largest unit of charge is Faraday. Now properties of charge. Now properties of charge.